One of the things that I'm curious to know, and I don't know if I've ever really talked with you about this, is to know what is one of the more interesting cases that you've ever handled and why?
As I think about that, there was a particular case that came in a few years ago. Wonderful gentleman, drives a Harley Davidson, loves motorcycles, loves that kind of lifestyle. And this happened up on the Colorado River, a small town up on the Colorado River. And he was sitting on his motorcycle. He had just pulled into a restaurant. He's sitting on his Harley Davidson. A storm kicks up and a wind whips through that area. And he's sitting there minding his own business, and the back patio cover of the restaurant blew up over the restaurant and hit him in the face while he's sitting on his motorcycle.
Sounds horrible.
It was just a terrible, terrible injury. That case involved, I think, every aspect of a personal injury type of a claim. We had to hire an expert to inspect the patio cover, how it was constructed. He had extensive medical treatment to repair his face and his neck. He ended up with some very severe larynx, voice cord injuries that caused him concern and will for the rest of his life. But we had just an excellent expert come out of California and come over and inspect that patio cover, and it was not to code. It was sloppily built, and it was not anywhere near where it should have been, and that's why it blew off with this. It was like a little microburst storm that happened at that particular time and came up over and caused those severe injuries. That was a case that is memorable for me. It was interesting because of how it happened, but more than anything, I think my client was probably one of the most interesting, wonderful guys that I've ever represented.